Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and in this video I will show you how to set a stop loss on DEX Screener. So guys, if you want to set a stop loss, you need to basically do such steps. Guys, firstly, of course, log into your exchange accounts by opening the exchange where you're trading, for example Uniswap, PancakeSwap or others. Find your trading pair, search for the crypto pair you want to trade. Set a stop loss order. Most DEXs have a feature for limit orders. Here's how. Set your sell order at the price where you want to trigger the stop loss. Select stop loss as the order type if available on your exchange. And of course, guys, monitor with DEX Screener. Use the DEX Screener to track price changes and make sure to stop loss price and make sure that the stop loss price is within your target range. Confirm the order, finalize and confirm the stop loss on your exchange, guys. And that's it. While DEX Screener doesn't directly set stop loss orders, you can track your trades and set stop loss via your exchange. Guys, if you like this video, press like on it, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.